Hey everyone and welcome back to a new video. Today we'll be unboxing this box from OPPO. Inside we've got their brand new phone, which we'll be unboxing and giving you my first impressions on right now. So I would say get yourself a nice snack, a coffee, and let's get right into the unboxing. And welcome back to the desk. So here we have it right in front of us, waiting inside of this box, together I think with a few surprises. So let's just get right started into the unboxing. And ooh, the box definitely did take a little bit of a beating, but what have we got here? That is very cool. It would look like we have another nice OPPO branded bag. So if you haven't seen my Instagram post, OPPO sent out the ambassadors a really fancy bag. So this would be very cool to go together with it. Let's just put this by side and see what else we've got. So, wait a minute. The Championships Wimbledon. Tennis Ollie. That is cool. Let's see what that's all about. And last but not least, nicely bubble wrapped, we have the device. So I would say let's just actually put this by side and check out the accessories that we've got. So here we do have two very cool looking things. First of all, let's see what the Tennis Ollie is like. That is so cute. So for everyone that doesn't know, Ollie is OPPO's mascot, and here we have Tennis Ollie. How cool is that? We've got this very cute OPPO pouch. So this would be very nice, just carrying little daily essentials with you. So inside actually quite nice, it's got another zipper. You can keep small items here, bigger items, and also in front we've got another little pouch. So this is actually pretty neat. Just going out, put your phone in, put your keys in. All right, very, very nice bag actually. I like this one a lot. Now, the star, what we've been waiting for, the Reno 8. This is actually quite exciting. I haven't really seen anything about this device, so I'm gonna give you my first impressions as we speak. What I can tell you now is that I really love the color. Oh, very cool. There you have it, the OPPO Reno 8 5G, which is again very, very awesome. Gotta love 5G. Reno 8, Android, and OPPO and Champions League. OPPO. So here we have a pouch, we have the device, and charging brick. Again, very cool to see OPPO including charging brick, and this is an 80 watt SuperVOOC charger. Same charger that we had previously actually with the Find X5, which is really awesome. That charger has been phenomenal. So I'm really happy to see it here too. And last but not least, Type C to Type A USB cable. So this will be very good for SuperVOOC charging. Yeah, as already said, like I've been VOOC charging the Find X5 and it has been amazing. So seeing them included here on the Reno 8 is really awesome. Before we look at the phone, let's just see what is inside this pouch. And very cool, we again get a case, SIM ejection tool, safety guide, and a transparent case. And of course, we have the Reno 8 itself. So here we have it, and the color I've gotten is this very amazing gold looking color. As you can see, the design is completely different to the previous series, being much more square with a massive camera that has been very nicely shaped into the case here. So I really do like this new design. You can really see like the shimmering gold here. It's more like a RGB almost, looking very nice. Yeah, on front we have a hole punch camera, and let's just get this booted. And there we have it. Hello. So this is the Reno 8 unboxed live here on the channel. Let's just get this set up. And of course we've got the inbuilt fingerprint scanner. And welcome to ColorOS. Really love the animations they've got going with ColorOS. And wow, here we have it. And on the Reno 8 we could find the latest version of ColorOS being 12.1 together with a Dimensity 1300 Octa-core processor. And we have 8GB of RAM available right now. What's really exciting is actually the camera setup on the back together again with this design. Let's actually take the sticker off. And here we have it. So definitely do stay tuned for more videos. I will be doing a lot more content on this phone already. Oh, you can just see the quality here in the preview. Let's take a picture of our Ollie here. So there we have it, the OPPO Reno 8, and we can already see the nice image quality this is producing. Definitely stay tuned. I will be posting a lot more pictures using this phone. This has been really cool. Again, OPPO really does smash it with the unboxings. The content you get in it, really nice. I mean, the fact that they give you a case is fantastic. Let's just get that right on here. You get the case, which is also a very nice translucent case that allows you to still keep the design of the phone visible, together with the SuperVOOC 80-watt charger. And I've said it before, but this charger, I am really impressed with the technology that's in here. So here we have it, the OPPO Reno 8. Thank you so much for watching my unboxing. I hope you enjoyed watching it as well as how much I did making it. The Reno 8, I'm so far really impressed with the color. I really love the flat design edges here on the back. We can see here we've got this really fantastic shining color, as well as on the front, inbuilt fingerprint scanner, hole punch camera, not too big of a bezel. We have one here at the bottom which is slightly bigger than on top, but nothing too big. And of course, stay tuned for my full review coming soon. I'll be testing it out and giving you my full thoughts on it as well. So make sure to check out the description or the comment section where I'll be updating you there. And yeah, for now, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.